This is how Chikwado, a young man that was supposed to travel abroad, died out of what I would call carelessness. Was this the fault of his father or his fault? Chikwado Eze was buried alive for fortification and died in the process. Chikwado's visa was out and he went to his village, Igbo Eze North local government in Enugu state, to inform his father. But then his father suggested that they visit a native doctor for fortification so that he will be successful abroad. They got to Onowa where the native doctor is located, and the native doctor suggested that Chikwado should be buried alive for 1 hour 30 minutes, after which he will be exhumed and become a fortified man. But 1 hour 30 minutes later, they exhumed Chikwado and he was dead already. Police came and arrested his father Owakwe and the native doctor. What do you actually think about this? Whose fault is it? And was the fortification really that important?